It's interesting, and it's somewhat convenient. You know what you mentioned about them developing the capabilities. Given that they're working to deliver services globally, it only makes sense that they would develop that connectivity, and then somebody along the line said, "Let's make this available to others." Is it going to replace or compete with the vendors or the existing providers or telcos? It shouldn't. In fact, they should see it as a complementary service and solution. In particular, where you've got regional or localized service providers who tend to provide services or capabilities within a specific region, but for some reason a customer has driven them to need to be somewhere else. It may be convenient for them to do that or adopt those. But if you look at what those companies are doing, where they're going, and then look at the sheer breadth of enterprise customer that exists, they would never want to be in the business of being able to deliver those services or capabilities or SLAs to someone in a way that would directly compete with a lot of providers. So I think that would be a phenomenal challenge for them to take on. And as I said, while it's convenient that they've built what it is they've built, is it going to take over our service provider WAN infrastructures? Not likely.
Okay, thank you.
It's going to be